What in the hell is up, YouTube? Alright, so guys, got 2 unboxings today. And what else do I have? 2 unboxings. Yes. Oh, I wanted to show these. I don't buy store variants anymore just because I can't flip them. So it's a pain in the ass. But I did buy this because I had to have it. One of my favorite covers of all time. So I got this off Unknown Comics. Picked that up. Awesome. Also did a trade with Joe Papiti. I don't think he's on YouTube, even though I've been trying to get him on YouTube for like 3 years now, so whatever. But anyways, picked up this from him. Awesome. Thanks, Joe, if you're watching. Just got that in today, actually. Alright, so on with the unboxing. This first one is... I'm excited about this one. So this is... I sent this off the CBCS to get signature verified. This is my second favorite Turner cover. The first one is the Superman Batman German variant, but this one is a close second, and they're both a Supergirl. So I sent this off to get signature verifications. This one has 4 signatures on it. So I haven't submitted in CBCS in forever because they just take fucking forever. So I submitted this back in, I want to say April. So it's been what, May? Not even 2 months. So it's not too bad. Especially to get signature verification, and I didn't do fast track or whatever. I just did the normal yada yada. All right, so got a big ass box for one comic. All right, so I apologize. I should have had this done earlier. So I hope it's not making too much noise on your end. I know tape is not the most satisfactory sound on the planet. So I do apologize for that. Jeez. And smashing bubbles. Fuck. So we just got back from North Carolina. We went back to see the fam. We drove 14 hours one way. Sheesh. That was a long drive. Only reason we did that is because back home in North Carolina, closest airport's like 3 hours away. Yeah, I'm sorry. And so it was cheaper to drive, which is... Alright, so let's see what we got. I'm going to take it out of this ugly ass plastic. So they're all verified, which is good. So none of them were fake. So there she is. So I got Churchill, Turner, Laura Von Vuder, the Supergirl from Smallville. Hot. Wow. Hello, nurse. Her signature, and Joseph Loeb. Is it Loeb or Laub? One of the Loeb. So we got a 9-8. So yeah, Ian Churchill, Joseph Loeb, Lauren Vandervoot. I'm sorry, I'm from Texas. I can't pronounce names. So yeah, we'll just show them there. So yeah, I'm uber happy about this one. This will stay, you know, this is not going anywhere, guys. Super happy about this. So I really wish CGC would start verifying signatures. I mean, but anyways, uber happy about this. I'm I'm ecstatic. I mean, oh man, to have Turner's signature on my favorite cover, or second favorite cover, and Smallville Supergirl, that's mwah. All right, so we'll put this aside. So this is a pretty big order, so I'm gonna go through it as fast as I can. As always, I don't know the grades. Most of them should be pretty high. They're mostly modern books here. I just haven't had a lot of luck finding books to be able to submit, you know, the higher value books. Just have not had the luck. But anyway, so I just pretty much just got bored and was like, I'm gonna submit some books and see if I can, you know, get some 9/8 out of them. Anyways, so let's get going. So, as always, we'll play this little game. Alright, so this is Deceased. I think this is the Clayton Crane convention exclusive. This was at Dallas Fan Expo in May. So, this, I mean, all these books should be 9/6s, 9/8s. So let's just hope I don't get cock teased a lot with 9/6s. Alright, so 9/8, yeah. So this is a Deceased #1, Clayton Crane, cover A. It says Scorpion Comics exclusive. Alright, so yeah, good start. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, so this is Mayhew. I found this on Facebook for a pretty good deal, so I don't think it's going to hit a 9/8. It has some issues, so I'm going to say 9/4. Oh, nice. Got it. Nailed it. But super sick cover. Love it. I don't know if you guys... I think you've seen the 9/8 one. But I'm going to show it to you again, because I don't care. Alright, so here's my 9/8 with a remark by Mayhew and signed by Mayhew. Yeah, that's awesome. Alright, so yeah, not too bad. I'll take a 9/4 in this book. Let's see what we got here. It's hard not to look at the book while you're trying to unpackage it. Alright, so this is G. No, it's a Lee. I'm not even going to try to pronounce his last name. Deceased #1, 9/8. Lee variant. They don't even put his last name on there. They're just like Lee variant. That's funny. Like, we can't. Oh, Lee's his last name. Jihong? Going to Jihong. Jihong Lee? Jihong Lee? That's what I'm going with. Anyways, yeah. Cool cover. Another Jihong Lee book. This is the Batman Detectives 1000 Virgin variant. 9/8. It's a very cool cover. Very cool. Oh, it's the first appearance of... I didn't know that. First appearance of Arkham Knight in DC continuity. Huh. Is Arkham Knight going to be a big thing now? So yeah, if you're an Arkham Knight, you might want to get that. Pretty cool. First appearance. Didn't know that. Hey, this book is thick as fuck too. Let's try to speed this up so I'm not boring you guys. So this is another Clayton exclusive. Scorpion Comics, I'm guessing. Hello, motorcycle. Deceased #1, 9/8. This is cover B. all these deceased covers are super awesome. I'm loving every one of them. I'm trying not to buy them, but they are hard. I know that some guy, I think it's the same artist who did this book, who is Agestato, whatever. But he did an awesome one with Batgirl with Deceased number 3 with Batgirl 12, the art germ. Had to resist not buying that one. Had to resist. It was hard not to. Sorry, I didn't know. Sorry, I just had all this shit in here. I don't know what that was. I don't know what that is. We got something in here. Oh, they sent back all the COAs. That's pretty cool. Huh. I didn't know they did that. Well, that's cool of them. Alright, so we get on to it. Alright, another Clane, Deceased number 1, 9.8. I bought 2 of these because Scorpion Comics had buy 2 get 1 free, or buy 1 get 1 free. It was the last day of the convention, and I think they were just trying to get rid of them. So that's why I have 2. Oh, what's this? Batman Who Laughs 3, I believe. This is the Ji Hung Lee. Say that 5 times. 9.8. Yep. Ji Hung Lee. Man, I need to know that guy's name. Pretty cool cover. Well, so far we're doing well. I got all 9.8s. Well, 194. This is the non-version to Ji Hung Lee. 9.8. Batman Who Laughs number 4. Okay, cool. I didn't know I had this one. So this is Ultimate Spider-Man. So this is the Sarah Bocelli 1 in 75. No clue what the grade is. I'm gonna say 9.4. Oh, 9.2. It's a really cool cover. I just smashed my finger. Alright, so this is a really awesome cover. So this is Death of Peter Parker. So this is Ultimate Spider-Man 160, I want to say. Very cool cover. This is a shit, who's the cover artist? This is a Joe Quesada? Is this a Quesada? I can't read it. I want to say Joe Quesada variant. Anyways, very cool cover. I'll read it. I can't read it backwards. Want to see the grade. So hopefully a 9.8. I know white covers are pretty friggin' hard to get 9.8. So cool 9.8. So yeah, Death of Peter Parker 160. I was right. Mine is Quesada. Look at that. I was 3 for 3. It said you did good, kid. That's Uncle Ben. You know, welcome him home to heaven, I'm assuming. That's a really cool cover. Really cool cover. I might crack this. I know I can get Quesada's variant. Signature. I don't know. I might crack that. We'll see. It's pretty cool. That's awesome cover. I don't know how many books I submitted. Like 21, 22. Alright, so Tech 1000 Alex Ross cover should be a 9.8, 9.8, yep. So again, first appearance of Arkham Knight in DC continuity. Awesome cover. One day I will have Tech 27. It'll be a very long day. Very long time though. Might have to sell a couple of kidneys. Ain't gonna be worth it. Alright, so here is Tech 1000. The other Alex Ross cover that looks like George Clooney for some reason. Should be 9.8, 9.8, yep. This is awesome, Mayhew. ASM 656. We'll find out. But awesome, you know, vampire variant of Spider-Man. So, well, it says right there. I didn't even look, did I? 646. I was not even close. 9.8. Nice. Clayton Crane, another Scorpions exclusive that they were having on sale at the Dallas Fan Expo. I think this is Symbiote Spider-Man #1, 9.8. Yep, pretty cool. Another one, there's a buy one get one free, 9.8. Another one, I think this is the convention exclusive, 9.8. Yep, convention exclusive version. Another one, 9.8. Yeah, I went a little overboard on the buy one get one freeze. So, whatever. Alright, so here's one. ASM 300. Hoping for a 9.2, 9.0, 9.2, 9.4-ish range. 9.4. Awesome. I will take it. Cool book. Classic book. You think this is one of the Mount Rushmores for covers? So let me know what you think your Mount Rushmore of covers are. Like iconic covers. Like, I think I would put this on there. AF-15, obviously. And do go with Action 1. So many iconic covers to be thinking about, actually. How do you pick the best 4? Wow. But this has got to be on there, right? I mean, this has been copied so many times. Like, I think that's got to be a criteria of being a classic cover. All time, the GOAT of covers, right? Or the GOATs. One of the GOAT of covers. I mean, if you've been copied so many times, that's why AF-15's got to be on there. It's been copied a shit ton. I guess you got to go with Action 1, right? What's the last one? Tech 27? Wonder Woman #1, maybe? You know, Showcase 4. So many classic covers that are iconic. You know, Showcase 22 is another one. Jeez, so many. That Neil Adams Batman, I think it's Batman 251 with the Joker. And then also the one where he's sort of like invisible. Another Neil Adams classic that copied another classic cover. Sheesh, there's so many classic covers. So yeah, leave in the comments below, all 10 people who watch this. You know, put what do you think your top 4 Mount Rushmore comic covers are. Another crane, another 9/8. Told you I went a little crazy. Hey, another crane, another 9/8. This video is 20 minutes long. Another crane, another 9/8. Jesus, Brandon, how many did you buy? I think I was just so pissed that I didn't find anything. That I was like, I gotta buy something. You know, I'm not wasting my day not buying anything. Another crane, another 9/8. Hey, here's something new. Perillo, Deceased. Number 1. Telling you, these Deceased covers are awesome. So this is a Perillo exclusive. One more. And we can be done. Oh, we got a 9/6 on this one. Interesting. Oh well. That's it, guys. So thanks for sticking around for 22 minutes. Toodles.